रहे थे कि खुशबू पांडे को ढूंढो और उसको जिंदा जला दो, सबूत मिटा दो और अगर पुलिस प्रशासन आती है तो उनकी भी गाड़ियों को जला दो।
Namaskar. I am Shifali Maheshwari and you are watching Ritam. The flames of intolerance rise again. Hindus face yet another brutal attack as they peacefully return from a Hanuman Chalisa recitation. Where is the justice? Where is the outrage? Jamui, Bihar. What should have been a peaceful spiritual gathering turned into a nightmare as Hindu devotees faced a violent and pre-planned assault. On Sunday, activists of the Hindu Swabhiman organization were returning from a Hanuman Chalisa recitation in Baliadi village when they were suddenly ambushed near a mosque. A frenzied mob of hundreds, armed with stones and bricks, launched a merciless attack on their convoy, shattering vehicles, windows, injuring devotees, and creating an atmosphere of terror. Women, children, and prominent activists, including District President Nitish Kumar and Khushbu Pandey, were seriously wounded in the attack. Eyewitnesses recount the horror, claiming that as the convoy entered a Muslim majority area, slogans of Allahu Akbar filled the air and an indiscriminate assault began. Reports indicate that the attack was not spontaneous but well orchestrated, with clear attempts to target specific individuals. Hindu activists, stranded and helpless for hours, faced aggression, while local police initially failed to contain the situation effectively. Internet service was suspended to curb the spread of information, raising further concerns about transparency and accountability.
कि जीवित रहूंगी जैसा माहौल था और बगल में ही खड़े होकर वो लोग बार बार मुझे जलाने की बात कर रहे थे, मेरी गाड़ियों को घेर रहे थे, तोड़ रहे थे। और थोड़ी देर के बाद जब उन्हें पता नहीं चला मैं अंदर हूँ, माहौल ठंडा हुआ, फिर मैंने पुलिसकर्मी का आवाज़ सुना, कुछ पुलिस फोर्स आए, फिर मैं उनसे मिली और उसके बाद
गाड़ी कहाँ आपकी?
गाड़ी तो सारी तोड़ दी गई, उधर ही है, अभी शायद यहाँ पे आ गई है, सीज की गई है, बाकी गाड़ी वाड़ी सब तोड़ दी गई है।
This is not a single case. The alarming pattern of anti-Hindu violence continues to surface across India. In Bangalore, Karnataka, a Hindu shop owner, Mukesh, was assaulted on March 17, 2024, simply for playing Hanuman Chalisa at his shop near a mosque. In Vadodara's Ekta Nagar, a loudspeaker playing Hanuman Chalisa at a temple was met with furious objections, leading to another violent clash. These are not random events, but a deeply rooted pattern of intolerance that threatens the very fabric of Hindu identity in India. The question remains, why is Hindu faith constantly under attack? Time and again, radical elements have unleashed targeted attacks on Hindu processions, festivals, and religious gatherings, yet the so-called secular voices remain deafeningly silent. Where are the human rights organizations that rush to comment on any perceived injustice against other communities? Why is Hindu suffering not considered worthy of global attention? The authorities must act decisively. Arrest alone are not enough. Strict legal actions, community awareness, and a firm stance against religious fundamentalism are essential to prevent further such incidents. Jai Hind.